Oof.
That feels a lot better.
It definitely does.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell in. Oh, I see folks are packing up, but
Hey, Dad, how you feeling?
ooh, burning up here and some what?
Hey, come on back here. Hey, come back here.
Well, this part is pretty shallow. They just love the water. Oh my goodness. Goodness, you guys. They love the water.
I'm gonna tell him. He's probably gonna go out there. Though.
Look at him. Look, he's trying to swim.
Watch, oh, look at him. He's on the other side of him.
Go ahead, go, Scrappy.
That's him swimming.
Do not let them pull you in.
Y'all make me fall though.
Right.
Hey,
Yep.
that's enough.
I'll
I'll fall in this water. I'm gonna kill y'all. Don't have a long release, buddy.
Right, and he's really trying. Okay, here, I can hold Scrappy. Let me see. Oh, Scrappy. Okay. Come on. Come on.
Oh yeah, you can walk in a little bit, but you be careful too.
Yeah. Okay, you don't want to go in there now?
Now they smell something. They see them both sniffing.
Okay. Oh, you're wet, dog. Oh, goodness. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell these folks to start making it make themselves down here. We can find a cool little spot.
Ooh, this water is cold. Woo. Scrappy, stop splashing. Ooh. We're almost done. We're gonna be leaving soon, so yeah.
You're gonna kill him, Kayla!
Oh my goodness. Wow. On his back though. Kayla.
Yeah, it's not alive.
No,
It's
not
dying.
anymore. It was alive until you just